Where are we at, Isaac?
Going to Harvey Dam. It's a beautiful day outside, the sun's shining. So we thought, why not go to Harvey Dam?
Yep.
Yep, that's where we're going.
Very nice day.
We only just got here and we are already very bogged. Hey, the GoPro's got battery now. Okay. But yeah, Operation Recover is a go. It's not going well.
Wait, don't move. That made actually a pretty big difference. Can I get this out? No.
Well, I've been in better situations. We're pretty in there. We'll get out hopefully. Maybe someone will drive past and help as well. We have someone here to watch the show. Go, my dude. He's not looking the best, is he?
No, I think so.
Oh, there he goes. What's up? Alright, bro. Let's go put you back into the... Oh, it's okay, bro.
Okay, no, put that on.
Just chuck this boy here.
Nah, forwards. Forwards. Okay, just go backwards again, a bit quicker. No, you might have to put a bit of power in it. Then back. No. Jesus, you're calm down. Okay, go again.
Quick update. We've been here a couple hours. We've gotten this far. We've still got a bit to go, but we're getting there slowly. Oh, it's been a pain in the ass. Probably been here since about 11, so yeah, not good. We're out, Tomo. Oh, the reason we're out because we had a nice bystander come past near this mad patrol and pull us out. That is what we were in. Oh, the Max tracks. Let's not forget that. Right, Tomo, we're out. Oh.
So what happened again?
We got stuck. That's all that happened. And that's all that happened. Alright, the trail's already even more gone because of the water. Alright. And we are at Waroona Dam. Harvey Dam, no good. Tip, never trust the waters at Waroona Dam. Whispered to turn around, boom, fell right into a hole and filled my bloody car with water. Oh.
You're lucky I'm experienced with finding number plates.
Oh no. Yeah.